Allyson Cohen. I'm a violin performance major doing masters in music. So Concert Music Outreach Collective is a nonprofit organization that brings high-level chamber music performances to underserved communities through our engagement-based concert series hosted within prisons, homeless shelters, and addiction recovery facilities. Winning the Excel Prize is just incredible. I really have no words, but we're really excited to be able to expand our current programs. I really feel like the Excel Lab is unique to University of Michigan because it gives students the opportunity to learn how to be entrepreneurs, which is not something we're usually taught. We're usually just taught how to play our instruments, which is great, but in this day and age, there's so much more to being a professional musician than just playing at a high level. And we're learning how to manage our careers, how to be entrepreneurs, how to think outside the box, and how to be even more kind of meaningfully involved in our field. So it's just innumerably valuable to have here, and I think it really sets the University of Michigan apart as to what they can offer for their students going into the professional world.